Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So in today's trading session, I attacked NVDA, sent it out to my group. So let's get everything out of the way here. Let me come over here. First thing you're gonna see is the text alert, 425 strike call for NVIDIA. These expired today, 7 January 2023. Looking for plus 25%, minus 10% stop loss. Let's come over here to the exit alert. Sent it out to my guys. So you see here, sold to close, 425 strike call, 94.54%, 86,800 profit today. It was a monster trade. And you'll see it right here. You'll see it right here in my account. 94.54%, 86,800. Don't copy and steal my stuff, right? The option hit a high of $5.15. It was an absolute monster. So let's get into the account here. Margin account, real live account, stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time, futures and futures options. I have it free on this account by looking at other instruments, so I don't need to pay the brokerage for extra feeds. Forex real time, others real time, so real time account. So what happened with today? Well, let's kind of go over it. Here's the box, right? What is the box? Right? The box is price action. The box is support and resistance. The box is a volume, right? The box is volatility, right? When a stock opens up slightly above the box, what are we gonna do? We're gonna take a long position. So what I keep telling you guys, the box is 96, almost 97% effective. Deadly effective, right? If the stock opens up under the box, the equity, the ETF, the Forex, the crypto, doesn't matter what it is. The laws of mathematics, the law of probability is all the same, right? We take a short position. If it opens up way above the box, we're gonna look for it to rocket and then probably crash back down in the box. So where did the video open up today? Well, you see where it opened up today. You see the consolidation pattern before it took off at, so I just waited. This is consolidation right here, right? On the 5 minute right here, on this chart right here, 5 minute option right there. So I just waited. I waited and I waited for a consolidation because this is consolidation, right? This is mid-level consolidation right there. I just waited. And I waited and I waited and I waited and I waited. And I missed this move right here, but that's okay, right? There's where I got in. So I actually missed this move. And the reason why I missed that move is because I'm just like, okay, this is going to reverse because of where it opened up. I'm thinking it's going to come back down. But the second that I saw this candle right here, this is a dragonfly doji. So this is a bullish dragonfly doji. So when you see a bullish dragonfly doji off of this 1, 2, 3, this is a spinning top right here. So let me open this up so that you can see it a little bit more. Let me take some drink of my green tea there. So this is a dragonfly doji, almost a dragonfly doji right there. Once I seen that, 1, 2, 3, spinning top, 2 white soldiers, bullish, right? Once I saw that move, I was like, okay, I got to get in there. And then the rest is, as we say, history. So let's kind of go over that. Let's look at the channel so that you can see the channel. We take the channel from right here because this is an inverted hammer and this is bullish, right? Look at that inverted hammer, that's bullish. So I draw the channel from there and look at that slope. So there's your channel right there. So 952, that's the move inside of this candle right here to take it, and ran it up to right here, because this was the high right there, got out right here on this candle right here, right? What a monster move on NVIDIA today. Now, excuse me. So what happens here, I think I got postnasal drip because what's going on is I've always got the cough now, so I got it looked after and I got postnasal drip. It's like a bad case. Sinuses keep draining in the back of my throat, always cleaning out my throat, but that's neither here nor there. So right here is, you have to look at this situation. The expected move on NVIDIA today, the expected move, so let me get rid of this right here. Let's go over to the trade tab. So NVIDIA still has plus or minus $4.32 to move today, right? It's already moved $5.85. So what happened was, earlier on, the expected move for NVIDIA was $5.11. So if you want to come over here and do the math, I'm going to show you guys the volatility of options. Let me break up my calculator here. Where the devil is my calculator? So let's go from the open. Open is 423.22, so 423.22 plus or minus, it was $5.11. That means NVIDIA is going to hit 428.33. Keep that in mind, 428.33 or 423.22 minus $5.11. That'll be the low, 418.11. So 428 and 411. What did NVIDIA do? This is when I got out. So when did I get out? On this candle right here, 428.77. NVIDIA, so you see my levels right there, 428. These are my gravity points. So I drew out the gravity points. Profit, gravity point right there, 428.20, 428.22. That's when I got out, because you see the pattern right here. This was the high, this was the high, this was the high right here. And then all of a sudden, what do you see here? What does this pattern tell you right here? Let me open this up so that you can see it. Look at that pattern right there, right? And that's why I got out, because I know what I'm doing. I know my candlesticks, I know my volatility, I know my box, I know my channel, I know my slopes. Right? Look at the top of the volatility band, how it turns. Look at the 20 right here. Look at where it is. Look at the 200. So this is all I'm following. I'm just following the algorithms, right? So right there in that candle, we're out, right? Because it comes right back in. This is when you're supposed to be taking your profits away from the 20. So when it hooks into the 20 right there and it's turning, because it turned right there, that's when I'm getting out. And you see that movement right there. There's a little bit of a retracement, a pullback, because the stock's got to breathe. NVIDIA went on a monster run, and then it has to breathe, and then it went up to here to 429.47. So it actually breached its expected move. So, which is fine, because you see what happens after that. Look at where NVIDIA is now. So that's the channel. Let me break out and remove the drawing for the channel so that you can see it. And that's where we are, right? So what's NVIDIA gonna do now? I don't care. I'm out of the trade, right? It was a monster trade. And now you see consolidation right here. So I can draw consolidation for you. And where do you think the consolidation is? Where do you think the consolidation pattern is now? Where is it? Well, you've been following me for a while. You're a member of the Platinum X Power Option Trader Group. I've told you time and time again, the box, gravity points, this is where algorithms lurch. Algorithms move from gravity point to gravity point to gravity point. Where's the gravity points? Right there. Where are we now? Consolidation inside of that gravity, inside of those two gravity points. And that's the box. It's gonna crash through that box, as you can see right there. So I hope you enjoyed. So if you're wondering, well, double P, where's it gonna go now? Well, where's the next gravity point, right? Look at the volume profile. This is why I have the volume profile up here, because look, here's the point of control. This is where institutions, hedge funds, high frequency traders, they look at this. This is the point of control. This tells them, okay, that's profit taking, or I might be able to get in, but this is profit taking, as you can see. Because of what? Because of this massive move. That's a big sell side candle right down here. That's the point of control right there. That's the lower end of the volume profile. So if there's going to be another gravity point, it's going to lurch right to here, 424.27. Where are we at now? 426. So it's either going to move in this gravity point right here in this lurch, and it's going to drop down to 424.27. That's the next gravity point forward, if you want to be precise, because that's algorithmic. That's artificial intelligence telling you exactly where to get in, where to get out. So if you wanted to take a short position, I wouldn't shorten the video right now. I kind of would, because of the descending pattern of what the algorithms are doing. Let me remove this box right here, that drawing. Let me come over here, and this is a new channel. So let's come over here to the channel tool. I'm just following what the algorithms are doing, right? So let's come over here. So there's the new channel. So if I was to shorten the video, I would have shorted right here, actually, right off of the high. As soon as it crossed this horizontal price point, which is the expected move, 428.22, that's where I would have went in and took my short position, and I would have just walked inside of that channel. You see it right here. If it breaks this channel, so this is resistance 1, this is support 1, this is support 2, right? So if NVIDIA is gonna, now if the algorithms are gonna walk this back down, and you see where they're walking it back down to 424.27. You see this, look at that wick right there, right? You got to understand that's $1.29 range so far to the downside. Look at the descending channel now. This is an escalator to the downside, right? I could sit here with this video, I could sit here with this live trading with you and show you exactly what's going on, but I'm explaining to you now how algorithms work. If you never understood how algorithms work, you never watched any of my videos, today is the day for you to watch the video, to learn the mindset, to learn what algorithms are doing, to learn how they trade in slopes and channels and gravity points, because that's all algorithms do. Algorithms have zero emotion. It's a box, right? It's a box. It's got built-in. I've seen a couple of algorithms. My billionaire mentor has actually broke apart a couple of algorithms, and I've actually looked on the inside of algorithms. So I have a really good. I'm not a coder. I'm not a programmer. So all the calculations and all the formulas, I have the slightest effing clue about any of that stuff. I look at the basics, the mechanics of it, and I say, this makes sense. Before, it was a total mystery to me. Didn't know what the hell was going on. But when he broke open an algorithm for me, a black box algorithm, and kind of showed me what's inside of it, what's packed inside of it, this is artificial intelligence on the platform. Millions and millions of traders, retail traders, haven't the slightest clue how to work the Thinkorswim platform. They don't have the slightest clue what's going on in here. Once you understand algorithms, once you understand what's going on, and once you understand what's inside of them, now there's hundreds and hundreds of different types of black box algorithms, right? I got to see inside of one, and it was very fascinating. I'll tell you that right now, super fascinating. But at the end of the day, the components are gravity points, channels, slopes, and then you build in the volatility, because algorithms are designed to crush volatility. That's what they do, right? They'll crush volatility so that they can do their trading. So understand that as well. But volatility is also your best friend and your worst nightmare. If you understand volatility in options, my God, you can print money. So with that being said, my name's Double P. I hope you enjoyed this trading session for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. For those of you that are on social media and you're watching this and you're like, what, is this stuff real? Oh, fucking right, it's real, right? That's how it works. You want to go talk to any of my traders? Go talk to any of my traders, right? So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this end of the day trading session. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.